is Steve Bassett. We're with Splat Mat America, and we also have a fantastic product that we call Biomatrix that we'd like to show you how we demonstrate that and cleaning up hydrocarbons, as well as using the Splat mats primarily for fire departments. They told us that one of their #1 customers was 2-car automobile accidents that were leaking fluids, basically hydrocarbons on the ground, and we developed a system that we can use to clean those up at the accident site and contain them and or clean them up. So Steve and I are going to do a demonstration for you using the Splat mat by Splat Mat as well as the Biomatrix to clean up the issues. And what we do is this is a low wall mat, the Splat mat. The kit comes with a high wall as well as a low wall, primarily because if the wheels are knocked off of a vehicle or if it's nosed off into a ditch somewhere and the vehicle is lower to the ground, then they can get this under there and still can catch the fluids and bring it out. It has handles on 4 sides. They can drag it out from under the vehicle and then incorporate the Biomatrix. Unless we're dealing with gasoline, then they can put some Biomatrix in it and put it under the fuel leak. So we're going to start into a demonstration here. We're going to go with a little bit of oil in the mat. Just old used motor oil. We're going to go with a little bit of diesel. And we're going to go with a little bit of gasoline. That's a pretty decent problem, but it seems to be your standard things in an automobile accident. Now we're going to take some of the Biomatrix. Steve's going to spread that around, primarily around the edges to start with, to stop the flow and containment. Then he'll get a couple more scoops. And what we're trying to show here is that how Biomatrix encapsulates the hydrocarbons. When they mine this and they dry it, it creates a void in the molecule, and then as you apply this, you can see that it just starts encapsulating the hydrocarbons. One of the biggest things that we found from fire departments is that their fear of if someone is trapped in an automobile and they've got gasoline involved, that they have an explosion factor and they can't do anything until that's taken care of. So what we do is incorporate the Biomatrix, and as you can see, as we bring this stuff back up into a pile, I can take a lighter and it totally takes the explosion factor out of it. Now this product will burn if you light it, but that's not their fear. Their fear is the explosion factor. Now, if you have a human being trapped in an automobile and they need to start cutting that person out, they can incorporate the Biomatrix into the mat and then they can move forward, put it under the fuel cell and they can move forward. And we're going to take a little bit out of it to show the leachate, how the product does not release anything. It's totally 100% encapsulated. We're going to put a little bit of the product in a couple of coffee filters. And Steve's going to pour some water through it. And this demonstrates to them the fact that there's no leachate. We let it run through just a little bit. Then we wring it out. And then we pass it around. We let them smell it. We pass it around the room, let everybody check it out, and then we actually take a drink of it because the product is perfectly clean and it is encapsulated. Now, one of the most amazing things that we do in our demonstration is we take oil-based paint, beautiful yellow oil-based paint. And we take that product and we squirt it in the mat. And we don't get new Biomatrix to clean it up. We use the used Biomatrix to clean it up. We just bring it over here and this is a super impressive way of showing this product. As you know, Biomatrix can be used over and over and over again until it finally reaches a saturation point. But the beautiful thing about this is that we're using some that has already been used right in front of people to encapsulate even the oil-based paint and clean it up. And basically you have nothing. It's cleaned up. Now the nice thing about this product, and what we were looking for when we initially got involved with Biomatrix, was a way to clean up our vinyl. Because once you get hydrocarbons in vinyl, it creates a rather sticky mess. But what we've done now with Biomatrix and the Splat Mat combined is we've created something that is cleaned up, the hazard is taken out of it, it's disposed properly, and the mat's completely dry. And that's how we demonstrate the Biomatrix and the Splat Mats combined. Thank you.